Ahead is the biggest day of their lives. The day they will leave their nest by jumping from the cliffs and try out their wings for the very first time. It's quite a test flight, 1/2 a mile to the safety of the sea. When the time comes, encouraged by their fathers, the first take the leap. The chicks have tiny, stiff wings, so they can do little more than glide. Their fathers try to nudge them to keep them on a good flight path, one that will take them all the way to the water. With the first few safely away,